In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in Xero, which can greatly streamline the way you manage transactions and ensure everything syncs up just right. This process is quite straightforward, but very effective when you want to automate transaction categorization based on certain patterns or conditions you observe in your banking activity. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, open up Xero and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. At the top bar, look for where it says Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. By doing so, a menu will drop down, and from this list, you'll want to select the option that says Bank Rules. This takes you to the section where you can view, manage, and create rules that automatically categorize your banking transactions in the way that best suits your business needs. Once you're in the Bank Rules section, your next step is to create a new rule. Over on the top right corner, you'll see a button marked Create Rule. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a new page where you can start entering all the details related to your bank rule. Begin by setting the condition. Essentially, this is the criteria that Xero will use to identify which transactions should have this rule applied to them. It could be based on descriptions, amount ranges, or other identifiers that are consistent across similar transactions. Take a moment to think through what consistently shows up in your transactions and should trigger this rule. Next, you'll be asked to specify the contact. This is where you designate who or what entity the rule applies to. It can be a specific vendor, client, or any regular source you frequently interact with via your bank account. This way, Xero knows precisely who the transaction should be linked to when the rule is applied. Following that, allocate line items. Here, you can decide where you want these transactions to be recorded in your accounting records. Consider which accounts these transactions typically affect, whether it's expenses, income, or any other category your business tracks. Defining this ensures that your records remain organized and accurate. Then, set the reference. This is a useful feature if you want to consistently apply a specific note or code to transactions this rule captures. It helps keep things tidy and easier to read when reviewing transactions later. Lastly, you'll choose which bank accounts this rule applies to. Are these transactions happening from one specific account, or are there multiple accounts that should adhere to this rule? Make your selections accordingly. Once you've got everything set up just the way you like, go ahead and click Save to lock in your new bank rule. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and some strategic setup, Xero can take care of automatically categorizing your transactions, saving you time and reducing the potential for manual entry errors. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your accounting processes in Xero.